Hello there, welcome back again. And I'm gonna show you today. I'm gonna show you how to make adobo, which is my national dish where I come from in the Philippines. This is called pork adobo. It's like pork stew. So I'm going to show you how to make that one today. This time we marinate the pork. First we put soy sauce. It's 5 tablespoons. And about like the same 5 tablespoons of white vinegar. You either can use cider vinegar as well or white vinegar, a bit stronger. And we mix that one. Mix that one together and put the garlic granules. You can always put oregano if you want, but if you don't want it, then that's entirely up to you. And of course, put lots of sprinkle of pepper. Make it spice it up. And I always put this one, tarragon. Another kind of herbs. And dash of Worcestershire sauce. That's it. Mix it together. Now my have to fry them. Now my frying pan is hot. What I've got here is the put onion. I always put onion, and I know it doesn't matter if you don't like onion, you can put just garlic and ginger to make it nice taste later on. And ginger and 5 or 6 cloves of garlic. First we fry them all together. Wait it till golden brown again. Now that's nearly done. Nearly done. We put the pork. This is a pork meat. It's a belly pork. You can always use like stick for steak pork steak, and then chop them. Or you can make chicken as well. Now we fry the pork with the garlic and onion and ginger. Wait till a bit brown, and we can put in the saucepans and then simmer it for like 45 minutes to an hour until the pork is done and soft. You can always put bay leaves to make it smell nice. And I know some people doesn't like put potato, but I'll put potato. mix them together. Mix it around. Right, wait that till simmer for a bit and then transfer it into the saucepan and simmer for 45 minutes to an hour until the sauce is thickened and it's cooked. And another one that will make it is the oxy cubes. When they put like sprinkle it, okay? And maybe put more for the pepper. I haven't got that. You just put peppercorn, but I haven't got that one, so I can just add a crushed peppercorn. Now that's done, transfer it to my saucepans and I can simmer them for, like I told you just now, an hour or 45 minutes to an hour. This time you have to add water too. Right, simmer it for 45 minutes or to an hour. Alright? And I'll see you then. Come here, Tom. Now my adobo is cooked. And I get dish up. Some more sauce on the top. And there you go. That's my pork adobo, and it's called like pork stew. If you would like it, please subscribe, share, and I'll see you in the next video. Thank you.